La la la. E re ya lwanke. E tjo jwalo.
Hi man, yes. Hi man.
Re. How are you? Why you see you direct go? I went over rofa. We did that. Where?
Data la ndala batho ba teng ba hete ba tshwana le wena tse.
Is that me? Yeah, well, yes, that, okay.
Ka hlola ke ntho.
Jonyana yo fel.
Kenan guys, kenan. Iring hi guys. Kenan guys, kenan le hi fel. Haba kena hle ba re hi.
Nna ba re dumedise. Re batla ho bua jwale ha leo. Re tlo announce. Ke tlo ba announce something e monate. Kenan. I have an announcement to make. Ntate moruti o itse ke le jwetse ditaba tse monate. Au. A ke re ke na le potso for wena. Ha o qeta ho araba then tla be re announce.
A ke potso eng?
Hey, tsa bophelo ba hao. Bophelo ba hao ke buka hle e senang bokgutlo, e senang pheletso. Ko motho a re o itse re ka mo qala e nngwe jwale. Ai. Ene ke tlo botsa ka tsa bophelo ba hao.
Mara kre na o tsa bophelo ba ka ke borana jwang?
Jo.
Ke borana jwala ka business day by day.
Day to day.
Ke rana bophelo ba ka and then ke check next month ke bone hore e ntsebeleditse kapa ya ntsebeletsa e sa ntsebeletsa ke tla ka strategy se seng. Bophelo ba ka ke borana every day. That is why ke na le di-changes tse ngata ka bophelo ba ka. I'm telling you, ke na le di-changes tse ngata haholo ka bophelo ba ka. Ma ke ka right. Swapane ke na le di-changes tse haholo tse ke di etsang ka bophelo ba ka. And some people ba nahana hore mohlomong I'm confused kapa
Yeah.
ha ke ba ke
Kapa o tsebe o batla eng.
No, nna bophelo ba ka ke bonka very serious ne ke borana serious. Wa tsona ke bua eng le moradi wa ka? That thing. Ke re ho moradi wa ka ke re ho yana o sebetsa ke seng they saw your ability kapa potential ya hao. But now wena monga potential ke yona ke potential wena a o itse ka wena. Now there are people who are good to run my network ya se le ke yona kapa ke phone no ke kenyana
ke nana le akai
ke ane ha ke ne ke bua ka ya Telkom ke Telkom
mare ke nana le everybody wa yetsa because ha se problem ya
ke
network
Telkom na
mare a se
ke
problem
Telkom network ya
mara e bonahala e se
ke
problem
Telkom network ya oh
okay ke upa ke hlalose ntate motho ha e bonahale e le problem ya phone ya ka le
kaya le wena re tswile mo
mara mona ke eo na re sha
Telkom
mara ana sure
Telkom so ke re o moradi wa ka ke re ho yana ke re ngwana ka it's very dangerous o rana bophelo I mean o rana company mara bo sa tsebe how to run your life
oh
your life
make it like run
there are people who don't run their life I'm telling you now let's check it. This is very powerful and very interesting when we are restauranting there is no way you can come find out the changes
debate yes
when we are the company setting you cannot official to that company because not the changes
debate the company tse ding di be di change le branding ya company
again
yes
the reason why we change the branding of the company is because we change the strategy they are running the company now as a person you need to know how to run your life even if you are sebetsa you cannot excel like when even if you are sebetsa Victorious Faith Ministry you cannot be good to run a Victorious Faith Ministry marabosi good to run ampelo bao
yeah but you know this is very interesting because now when you excel at work you tend to relax when it comes to your personal life now concentration attention and everything the strength we far
usinvestile
most
to the company
yes now o fihlela jang stage sa hore o be able to divide attention
nkile kare ngai hlalosa jwa nkile kare o moruti mogadi le moruti o man ke reng don't be big ka molomo ha o bua maar the real lifestyle ya hao e be le fatshe you are big ha o bua mare
ke nna yo mo di show tsa mantaga ge sure mare ke nna yo ai di show tse jo
na batho ba big ba big when a bua here this person is big mara ha o fihla the real life ya hae yo it's a disappointment it's a disaster ne ke re bo moruti mogadi try to balance what you are saying and what you are se o leng sona hantle
yeah
ha di try di match o bona nto mam jana for qeta bua something very powerful a re wa tsanta ke moruti motho ya sa tsebang ka o nyatsa how feta mo o hlaha o tsamama o botse ke pastor November ka o nyatsa but the problem bophelo ba o gone bo beya leveleng e reng motho ka nyatsa wena mara a ka o respecta mohla a bonang bophelo bao
sure gona motho respecta gona nyatsa bophelo o tla di happens sure but I get you Ntate Moruti
I'm telling you
and I think the way no advice but Ntate Moruti Mngadi ka teng I think ke problem ya everybody we think hore for people to to know hore you have made it in life, it's when you are big.
Yeah.
Mare life ya how yone level ya teng e le very low.
Hona le batho ba seng leveleng yaka ka bophelo. I'm sorry to use the name level. But hona le batho ba seng leveleng yaka ka bophelo in all area. Mara ba ka se kalame taxi. Ba ntse ba le mara nna be ke kalama taxi, nna ke a kalamela taxi.
And then monate jwang?
Be kalama taxi.
Jesus.
Mara motho mo sena nix a feel hore no nka se kalame taxi. Now, and how do I say this person? I think one of the things is to protect, is trying to protect something that does not exist. How are you?
Protecting something that does not exist. Image you.
You are trying to protect image, but are you?
Sure.
It's one of the things. So, coming to the issue at Kampala, that is why Hunan Lebatubao, they are able to grow their companies.
Yeah.
The company be grow. Ibe abafwe promotion anymore. Aba excel to keep promotion. But how do I say about lifestyle high? How feel high enough? Because most of the time, we give attention in terms about, but not to the same attention. We fa company, we fa how, but you don't give yourself that attention. Now, as much kirata Victoria say kirata but I run my life day by day. Back. And I also think about my life. What are the things? And then in their failure. It is not like they are past, they are failure. On a usual Monday motivation, they come today, they keep back on the pill. Actually, pill. Actually, pill.
And then how does that make you feel? How so called the pillar because osina bukhon, osi capable, kapa how so called the pillar because strategy so udi batlang ka sona sile wrong, kapa how so called the pillar because kapa also called the pillar because how so called tola cause of the problem.
Okay. You know what is the biggest challenge, Sileke? It's when we're not only a life coach, but was not a life coach for you. Number two, I want to take dangerous like we kulela. We kulela.
Yeah.
Ukuz kulela.
Utana no manaya ya yukudisa.
Ya yukudisa. I want to dangerous like you. Because when we kulela, sometimes you can do things in a way of una I write. Okay. But butola mamror this thing I write. Now kongwe una hanore ntwena katsele uyetsang, it is the right thing to do that. Kapa uyetsa. But you don't realize mamror because kabo mani might be wena. Hauna muti o khona ngo sheba ho yena, yo khona ngo lena, yo khona ngo hodiswa ke yena.
Okay. That means what you are saying ke hore ha hona motho hore na how o dilemong tse kae o achieve lo lo kae ha hona hore motho aka hola ba sena life coach.
No, it's very dangerous. Like now I don't have anybody. As much what bangata ba batla ba shibile ona ba lena dintho tse ke di buang but now I don't have anybody. And the sad part where every time I get into ke tla be ke etsa kana go tsene ke bona right ke plan man ke plan ke this thing ha ke etsa so it tlo sebetsa e be fail wa bona now ka bona di mabe ha ke ne ke implementa ha ona mo ke boning e etsuwa teng I'm the one now ke nna ya ina hanela ngore mara I want to do this thing now always ke be ke na hore o etsa. You get my point. So that is why most of the things meaning ke tshwantse ke change the strategy because of you are not doing or tla be ke entse ntwena but be sa sebetse. Sometimes saying ha di fail because of nna kapa e le wena, but di failure because especially into involvang batho.
Okay.
Anything involvang motho
Esing matleng a hao 100%.
se matleng a 100%.
Okay.
So ha re bua ka manyalo kapa the relationship, the sad part kore when re bua ka the relationship manyalo re bua ka ntho yeo o se mong o yona. When we bua ka relationship, it's like ona jwang, you can tell yourself rona ke batla ho nyalwa ke le seleke. I don't want to divorce. I can nyalwe
Ho
divorce.
yes.
Ka bo madimabe, you can have that wish
ya hore you know what, now I want to ha ke kena be ke kena forever.
but the problem ko ntho ena tlo ba boikarabelong ba o le mong. It's not like ntho ene ke e ranwa ko wena lenyalo le na ko wena, you are alone. But ka bo madimabe o na le nna, and if you can try to do everything to save marriage, but the problem ko if na as your partner I'm not doing anything, the same thing in wish how
okay, no
so that is the problem it's our kana go tseng tsena tsa di relationship le manyalo di fail because o tlo thola re batho ba kena motho o jwetsa rena I don't want to fail my marriage, but to really fail a lenyalo la hae. Because even if I don't want to fail my marriage, but ka bo madimabe ha I wane ka ra lenyalo ona le motho e mong.
Now into partnership.
Into partnership.
Okay, ntate. Now, what is your plan about having a life coach? Kapa o tlo tswella o ntso sena life coach because o qeta ho lemohisa something hore it is very important for one to have a life coach because dintho tse ding le tse go batlang ho di etsa, you look at your life coach, you get inspired. You get motivated. Ke failures tsa hore but if ene ana fails this big abayema hape nna ka ntonyana ikananyana I can. Now when you are one person o ileng hore nations and nations are looking up to ne as much as you are not yet married, but hona le ba today ba dutsing le di couple ba shebile ho wena ba dutse batho ba. Now what is your plan about having a life coach kapa o tla ithuta ka diphoso tsa hao?
Ha o monate to live without a coach. It's not a good life. But ka bo madimabe dintho tsena di som. We've got people ba o renke di role models tsa rona. Then re ba le di role model. Rona le batho ba nang le di role model. Re ba le batho ba le di role model. Now ka bo madimabe there are people ba on tate modimo ke tsebe ke tate modimo kapa ke life. E for sang rona we must be a role model. Not or obele role model.
Okay.
As much you can have a role model, which is possible. It's just that sometimes mutu a sheba, especially bo Bloemfontein mo nna a ke Bloemfontein ka neta kusuka ke bona. But the reality of the truth is having a role model that doesn't mean o tshwantse be le role model mona Bloemfontein. You can also have a role model like about motho overseas kapa o kae. But the problem ya hore ba le role model e hole yeo le sa kgone ho communicate. It's not an easy thing to learn ho yena. You can learn some of the things because the role model setting di hlaisa side le good.
Yeah.
Di hlaise di failure tsa lona.
Yeah.
So the problem with the role model setting di hlaisa the only good side.
Most of them.
Yeah. And that is so ka thola re motho ka ba re ke rata mama, ke rata lifestyle ya hae. Now, but the real thing when you have a role model o tshwantse o tsebe dintho tse pedi ho yona. O tshwantse o rute dintho tse pedi. E o rute of pass of unto o succeed and o failure.
Oh. Succeeding and failing.
O tshwantse o di tsebe dintho o succeed and o failure. You need to know those things. Because like when o sa tsebe hore ke faith ya kae, go bontsha the only side la success ya ka. Ke sa o bontsha hore ke qadile kae ke faith lo kae. That's when you fail, you are going to be discouraged because you don't know failure. It's about only
the good side,
what's about the
the
good side?
succeeding side.
The succeeding side. What's about on fail?
Oh, wow.
And then now the problem go once you open a little challenges because you did as your role model. You don't know my challenges. You only know the good side and the succeeding side.
Yeah.
Now the challenge about that go mohlang wena o kopana le di challenges. Who is wena to give up kapa hoa? Why? Because when it's a new thing. But if role model you about you are able to learn from your role model. Or okay, but Linda, I mean no vikilawa.
Ke mmone hana ya through what? Ke mmone hana ya through in
Yeah. So because of that, Linda or as much today, Kilikara situation, Linda, I'm going to pick up again. So the problem, we don't have role models. Now here is the biggest problem. When you are a role, but what's on a it's not an easy thing actually to have a role model. Why? Because Mudimu kana go tsedung o re batla wa di hloka di failure tsa rona. Mudimu di hloka di failure tsa rona. O ra tlo sebetsa batho ba ba. Ona le di failure tsa ka le di mistake tsa ka. O ja next adietsa. Next tlo khona ho thusa batho ka tsona.
Yeah. Something. Saturday I was with this person. Ke kopane le ene abantu metsi ba re kwena seleke. Ke be ke hana nyana. A re man le voice ka yuka a ba re you know ha ke motho a followang batho. Ke the guy. Itse jwa. A re ha ke motho a followang batho. A re but the only thing e dirang gore ke follow your pastor it's because hamfi story sa dibuka. Umfa story sa bophelo ba hae. Now le ha ke mmona as a normal human being. A fitileng dintho la ke feta dintho ke re mare ena na yona Dr. November o buile ka yona. Now I think rona we bolelwe ke ntwa we only looked kapa we were given a good side. Now that is why le ha failure itla le ha di situation ditla it is very easy for us to give up and not want to try again because now ke tla be ke failure be ke re these things that the business they are not for me because mamang eleng rong motlilaka and she has succeeded in business and not knowing hore ke bua ka motho fitile to worse things. Okay. No, I get you.
So that is the biggest problem. I can say peace in or okay, there are things that can make it mistake. Some of the things is going to be it's about the decision. Say wrong, say right. But when ulemu to yalena, the mistake there's nothing wrong about mistake. When only mutiala out of your mistake, then you are able to teach other people that mistake is how.
Oh, your mistakes becomes your life coach.
Yes. But the only thing create a delay. You get my point? Because saying that the failure, when you get a failure, for you recover from that mistake. Sometimes it take time. You get my point. But like now, happen na ntausi rute. Ke ona tsangore bohlong motho o be le challenges somehow because ke na na batho ba banga green ba khona go bala dibuka tsa bomang. Motho tla bolela ke ba dile buka ya mamang kapa ke ba dile buka ya mamang. So but some people they learn the downfall and in ba di learn from the buka tsa batho ba bang. But ha o tshwana le na motho sa rute o rela ya ho wena. Because again, I'm looking to a balan, like Kabala Buka. Also, no more Buka as a suit of Hidik, Hilik.
But what you have just said, it's powerful that the Burudi. Hore, as much as you're not educated, but you still have a life coach, which is you.
Come on.
Now, when there's a part only. Party ebuhluku wena ke hore wena na o ithuta ka diphoso tsa hao and then the very same mistake is so di etsang o swantse o rute batho ba bang ka tsone. You cannot refer ho Dr. Mamang wa kae ka. Okay.
Now that is why batho ba bangata le bona ba tla nne ba rabantse ba ba re mara hatse bo batla. For instance, ne ke na le ntho ya hore ke batla ke kholo ya okay. Ne ke na le ne ke pusha taba ya step.
Yes, haholo o no re emelletse.
Ba tlo go jwetsa o etsala. Ha ntse se delay, then se etsa hore ke etseng ke tle ka another plan. That is me. When se etsa jwang?
So delay.
Se etsa hore ke etse jwang?
O tle ka another plan. Yo na le chance go was tlwela. Ona chance go was tlwela ke re delay.
Ona le chance ya hore nka se tlwela step ke setswe. Because I'm on ke plan engwe no.
Ha ke sho basadi ba didietsa no malapeng. Because ne re tsere dipelo fela. Kaya. Ke nana ke dipelo tsa gona tse ntse hore ho be le delay. Re ipletsa hore ha o kae o tla bo buletse bontate ba Bloemfontein step.
Now the hona le bosiu like nna ke robela ka bo 1 bo 2.
Yeah.
1 2. I always plan. I plan the ministry kereke. I plan for the ministry. I plan for the everything to ready run because kereke rona wa tswana le di responsibilities. But I also plan my life. That is why sometimes ke be ke ditse fast ke be ke okay. Ne se ke nkile qeto ya hore ke batla 1 2 3 but ha ke check ke fumana like now ke changile plan. A tsa plan ya ka ke
Plan ha ke.
no.
It's a popular about interesting you. Viewers at home, I can't carry a need to know. Because last week, you spoke a lot about how you did not enjoy your life. Not life, you did not enjoy the relationship.
I get enjoy.
Because when umuta controlling, muta running life ya how in a very serious manner. Now neta pega how kopana le motho. Now the responsibilities so nang le tsona no batla motho a di feed o bo but o chinchile strategy. Now this week ne santse re tlo utlwa strategy ke e
simple. One of the things ke ntse hore ke sokole o setlela the relationship ke ya hore nna ke kopana le wena ke batla utlwa hore wa fita the responsibility tsaka. Number 1, vision tsaka vision yaka imo tlo ke di thasha nyane fela re ska ra senya nako because re na le college on tlo 1 tlo ke thasha fela 1 it was my aim for ke specialize ka manyalo le ka di relationship you know it's
yes we bua every day.
That is my wish guys who specialize ka manyalo le ka di relationship ke ne ke galla hore marione yona so a ke give up ne ke galla hore mohlanse ke le o buti ya moholo be ke etsa fela di boot camp be ke tsamaela fela ke ya di eventeng tsa di couples
di couple di tle ho wena bo a weekend
di lo kopana somewhere. That is my wish. Wish number 2 itse ke bona idea ka tlo kopana le ena ya step ka bona ya step
ayetsahala
leona
ayetsahala
ya dia o yetsahala
okay
wa bona ya dia o yetsahala and then yan depress then it's like bona idea o yetsahala ya step leona no ke swaletse ka thoko no wa tswa ke busy ke etsa no ha ke sa batla motho ke beile di responsibility ka pele ha ke sa batla lenyalo ke beile kereke ministry tsheda
le office
ka pele o tsebe nna ne ke batla kereke ne ke batla lenyalo ke beile responsibility because ne ke na le ntwana hore number 1 o tshwantse o fite responsibility ya ka o fite le kereke o fite everything and then thing it's na konto yeng wa bona because ka bo madimabe re batla batho ba fitang ditoro plekeng tse wrong. There was nothing o batla mofuta o jwalo wa batho. Ho batla motho ya ka fitang ditorong, ho batla motho ya ka fitang di-responsibility, but potso ko re matla ka. Sebaka.
Yo, because sebaka se na le mofuta wa teng wa batho.
Sebaka se na le mofuta wa teng. So one of the things there was nothing wrong because even if kitchen she strategy, but still tabayadi responsibilities it will always be there.
Yeah.
No, you've got your own responsibilities.
Yes.
And the virgin kabophelo bao. So la ka ba batla motho still you still know
at least align
somewhere somehow.
Yes.
But now the problem kurum, if o batla motho, you need to be careful again or motho o batla mo matla kae. Now ntwe mpolaile nna ke o batla motho a qete ke batle mofuta o ine o itse sebakeng se wrong. Number 2, o boba le the ideal person o bo matla plekeng e wrong. Na le motho o matla mara o matla plekeng mo a leng siko teng.
Nka go ntse ya tabeng jwale. No, jwale nka re ntse re ya tabeng.
Wa bona?
Yeah.
Now ntwegeng e kileng ka ika qeto ka yona bekeng yane fitileng ko re novi. O ile ke le ka phosa bophelo ba ka nna. Ke le ka emisa bophelo ba ka. I did not enjoy my life on a serious note. Ha ona ntwe ke yentseng next. As much in that mphile the resources for now re ke enjoy bophelo ba ka ka etsa next because my aim was ke batla enjoy bophelo ba ka ke thola partner. But now ne ke batla partner but at the same time ke focus the responsibility. The responsibilities tse ke nang le tsona.
Yes.
Now no, the only thing I can kill in okay.
Key announcement. Viewers at home. Ene ke di jeka ka yona.
Novi. Ntho important.
Re ntse re ya tabeng.
Ke hore responsibilities o tla tla ho tsona.
Oh wow.
Di goal ditoro tsa hao o tla di bona. Di le teng. Now enjoy your life. Ka ho hlohle. When do you hona?
Jwalo tlo batla jwang? Because o lile ka sebaka. No. Bomele bontate taba ne le sebaka. Ake. Jwalo no tjenana. Because ha se o nontso sa batle, o nontso sa fumana. O nontso batla.
Ne tsek fumana.
O nontso fumana. Now, e le hore ho tlo etsahala no because e le wena o bone hore o phoso o tlo khutlela mane mo nontso nkile wena wa tshwara teng.
Mane mo nkile ka
wena wa tshwara teng. Kapa re ya pele. O tlo etsahala.
Se le ke ne thata hola.
Ke yona announcement. Viewers at home, ene ke yona announcement.
Se le ke ne thata hola.
A ke re ntate sheba. Nna viewers at home, ke motla ka o tshwara ka mantswe ya hao. Mantswe ntate moruti ka hore ke ile ka dula fase ka bona ga ka enjoy ya bophelo because ke ne ke batla relation lenyalo tjena.
Ka di responsibility.
If you don't qeta etsa no, o no di beile tjena ka pele. Ne, that means batho ba o kopaneng le bone o tla dumellana le nna. They were not wrong.
Ka nnete.
They were not wrong.
They were not wrong.
Ne, it just felt like wena o ileng ka tsela e wrong. Sebakeng.
You are right. You are right.
Now, potso ke hore now jalo ka o so ipone hore ke wena motho ana le wrong. Ne, re etsa jwalo ka o qala leeto le yes, guys. Yes, viewers at home, the more today.
Kaya phone ka busy no. Ka bo khona o cheka di ba dito. Itim. Oh, mara khono ikana kanti. ka data kapa no etse jwang ka nakwana a ne se ke shoka dinto
di-comment
di-comment because ke tso tse ding na lo hlaho na tseng now but ke arabe
viewers at home kapa le batla nako Dun, 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 dun. Ai re ya mane kapa re ya pele hobane bothata ne le sebaka o na le motho o buella
are
Dimaka tsa re Seleke Novi cannot go back, he has to go forward. Okay, Dimaka Somilwa. Ka
dimakatso modimo bless
re ya forward jwang re ne re sena diphoso morao.
okay le go jwetse something here utlwa Kathy are di emetse ditaba
A re di emeleng bana ba ko gae. Let's wait for it, then re ya yang
okay ke upa ke arabe
Galetsa tsotsotso a re yo Seleke hape o mo tshwerehle yo Novi just answer we going forward or money le nna ka tsotsi re ya pele kapa money
Geleza wa bora
ke announcement ntate setšhaba se me ka maoto se batla o tsebe
okay wa tseba ntho e etsa jwang ona le motho a mohlomotlo ngwana
are well said. We tend to stop living our lives because we always think we will enjoy when something better happens. Solid decision to start enjoying. Wow. Kathy are ea pele, clean slate.
what's one thing we get to Ke di
emetse are back to the center. To the center. Yeah. And then back forward we go or backward. Ba batla o tseba ntate pele ke mo re yang kapa re ya mane.
oh ala bora ke rata back to I'm pretty late forward you go or backwards yo okay ke kopa ke arabe he agree the challenge going when you choose a lifestyle you also choose the kind of a person who can fit
the lifestyle.
that lifestyle agree pele I was looking for partners for the kind of lifestyle in Nkipela ya the responsibilities and that is why it's try getting because
Man the mo tu botlale go wa itshintshana.
but
It's about lifestyle. Yeah, it's true.
but
Understand?
no but
No, it's very powerful
but
to
it's but it's equal
No,
it's
I
true.
understand. Yes.
It's
You
true.
know, like obutlali because now how na motho a choosang partner as a based on the lifestyle.
Yes.
Le nna ha ke kgetha motho because ke na le lifestyle e ke iphela ke
Yes.
itse, I want somebody who would understand
the lifestyle
the lifestyle.
it's
yes.
like when a DJ cannot choose and do
Motho o tsamayang
Motho o
kereke full
tsamayang-
time now di tlo
di tlo
clasha.
clasha.
Yeah.
So the lifestyle e ne ke choose itse pele ya di responsibility di eng e ne hloka mofuta wa teng
Oh,
Wa partner.
because now ka nako ya di responsibilities le di o no sena mo yang teng. O no sena bo di rally tsa di bike tso though o na le di bike and o no di reketse to enjoy life but you know the proceeds. Now your life was church home.
Yes.
Okay.
And now I was also looking the partner
Okay,
can
understand
fit
that.
that life.
Okay.
Now this one in a life ena e ke keneng ho yona. Now e batla no ke shebe jwale. Mohlomong morao kapa pele I don't know, but the important ke o fitang.
Ke lifestyle efeng eo? Then we can decide. Really family, because I care more family.
You know the priority no sefapano. You know guys, I want to be very honest. Ke na le 56 years. And already we are in the middle of the year now. Very soon ka December tla be le 57.
Yeah.
I've been holding my life.
And
Ya we enjoy ya we are anywhere. The last time ke ba siko ke kerekeng ha ke tsebe ke nene, it's when ke nyetse for the second time.
Yes.
But since Linda, I so ka kia anywhere. Nkile ka kae mara, a so ka kia anywhere. But now I took a decision okay. Novi, hona le the weekend so kene biking ya how le laishe di case, le laishe di phahlo.
Man in Tonsan.
The side baking le motho wa hao a le qetile le kene biking le tla bona hore le ya kae.
Let your cat listen.
I want to live that life. Give us a pillow, man. Baby, we go where I don't know. Re atamai. Re tla bona hore ya kae, re tla re bona, re tla decide time re le tseleng. Renga N1 to Cape Town, kapa renga Durban, kapa renga but re tla bona. I want to live that life. Now that life again, ha ke re ina le batho ba teng. Ina le batho ba teng hape. Because number one, you need to enjoy your partner. The circle, the presence your partner.
Okay, so you motho le tsamaya le kwatelana.
Ai bile ka di bona tseo. O ka se tsamaye le motho le sa connecting. Makwatelana ke a bona.
Taba kholo ke connection.
The aura.
Yeah.
You need to enjoy the aura of your partner. This thing is very powerful. That is why Renale Bat buy and vacationing, but I'm not because they don't enjoy
the aura of your partner.
You don't enjoy your partner. You don't enjoy the presence of your partner. You don't enjoy that.
Go whatever mo Bloemfontein ho ya le ena botshabelo yo tle be ka re le Cape Town.
That is why we're not about who doesn't drive, who doesn't call it partner. Ke mo o tla ntsetsa I call. Okay. So una le about bao, una le banna ba sa tsamaya le basadi ba bona. Hona le basadi ba sa tsamayeng le banna ba bona. Hona le batho ba hona le di girls. A ka mpa tsamaya ka di trip tsa di girls, not tsamaya le partner.
Mo tlo tsamaya jang le motho ho thata man a le
clicky. Hallucinane amunati, hali sex amunati, hali enjoy, hali tshwarana, hali tsibo hold ana, hali tsamaya molo, hali khono tshwarana.
Kapolo inka o tsamaya le malume wa gago.
Ke depression.
No, come on, someone what you're saying, but I'm tough flexible, you know.
No, so nake.
Atlo khona no palama bike.
Amunati.
Re tla decide re tla utlwa beke tlang hore re khutlela mane kapa gape.
Tla utlwa beke tlang hore ke lo sheba
mane
ke sheba ona mane mo
kapa ba re the devil you know is better. Okay, a re bale di comment re khono ya wow Novi, wow, indeed, just pack and go. You will decide hore ke ya kae and enjoy that life. That life suits you honestly. Every time church home. No ways.
Ke bophelo ba ka hle.
Kathy na batla hore today ke a bela. Aura connection. Ai man. Lena ke realo. And then Kathy a khutla hape a re yes. The why not life. No serious planning. And then it means in the past you did not do your research correct. Now it's time to correct and go forward.
Very powerful.
Yeah. It means in the past you did not do your research
Eh,
work.
you know ke saying in the past ne ke batla motho for ministry
Yeah.
and for responsibility,
Responsibilities.
not for now.
And you did that, Ntate Moruti.
Bona.
You did that.
Guys, ne ke batla motho for
Ministry, responsibilities. And
Not
then when
for
ono
now.
sa ipal. Ono sa ipal, truly speaking. Sure. My viewers at home, nna ka le tshepisa as your host, also lovely. Next week, re tla utlwa hore na o khutlela mane kapa re ya pele. Because I keep on re fe di update ka relationship. Mara o tlo tatela nyala no. Kapa o tlo dependa o mofuta motho o kopaneng le.
o tlo kopana o tlo dependa gore ho etsalang o tlo dependa a ke tshwantse ke lo sheba mane gore ho ya jwang
O hona le batho ba tlo ba dumedisang ba mane. O ba dumedisa fela.
ke re khotso
The relationship di montwe. Because I was at home dumedisa on a relationship e fela. The relationship di matate. Okay.
but go blelle nnete sebele but re tla discuss ka tsa sebele
Ke Ntate Moruti.
what's my guys, I've learned something slick. Ke ne ke sharela ne ke shara le max o pela shara le ma ne ke shara le table dating ke reng there's the more you grow is the more it become difficult to make a decision ka lenyalo. The more
You grow
you grow the more you become older
older.
is the more
It gets difficult
difficult
to decide.
to decide.
ka lenyalo.
I'm telling you.
And that's true.
So because you know the biggest problem about that theory when because when you are still young you still have a chance to fix your mistake if mistake
Okay.
if I'm still young then the interpret accordingly. I still have a chance because I'm still young to fix my mistake and to start afresh.
Okay.
But when the more so whole is the more difficult. Difficult because we consider
But we become very careful.
yeah, that is all difficult. That is why hona le batho bao ba sa nketsang nix but ha ke sheba age ya ka ke sheba eng ke sheba bophelo ba ka ke sheba eng ke sheba bophelo ba nako tse ding tsole ke ba skeptical because of motho o qenela se ke iqenela because age ya ka ha isa ndumela hore ke ne ke tlo faila ke tlo ba frustrated.
So ka mantsama ha o tshotjena re ka phumulanyana ga matswalo a rona ga phutha o ka se ho mathufa
a yang ka se 2000
mara ba kotsi
bakotsi
ba bona kotsi
ba kotsi mara ka se bo mathufa
okay ithola sa tsebe a puli
ke anwa I want to msele kuna buela msele ku English msele ku motho le ka
thata wa batho a re tsoko bue xhosa le yeah okay bye kutle bare
Seleke, don't rush him. He will make mistakes. Harimo emele.
ke re yalo le nna ke moemetse ne ka tlo tseba fela gore re iqala mane kapa re ya pele now ha re fa karabo hantle but I think we asked him or at least re keep updated o itse ditaba tsa ha go di monate lo ita anything e tsagala molatseng
But guys, ke go ba re kwale because tlo ke re kwale ka le ring. One of the thing in Patrice's tape, it was because of the
ka tsela e no sheba ka yone the
the
expectation
responsibility and expectation. Ne ke batla motho who can also somebody who can be in a ministry o mong
in a business
wa bona ke batla ntho eng ya bobedi. One of the thing e neng ke tsa hore ke feel hore ke batla step ke fear ya fail hape ke bua nnete bo
oh that's deep
one of the thing ne etsa gore ke batle step ne ke re this time if nka nyala basadi ba bobedi la ba ka banqaka ke tla qakwa ke I1 but I can rely where I won. Now if I don't go for step again hona bolela gore ke tlo tshwanela hape ke check listing money ya ka yane batho bana ba ntseng ke kopane le bona because now if I go for one person again ke tlo tshwanela ra must be careful hore ke choose jwang. Because remember step ne ke signala two things ne ke signala for business for ministry
hape sine se tlisa sine se go fa some kind of bokamo ba itseng
or if ke na le basadi ba babedi ho bolela hore
at least you will survive
ke tla survive la e monga ka mfela. But now if ke tshwanela ho ya for one now hona o tshwantse o bolela hore I need to be very careful because again you're not going to make it tshaba ya hore ke tshaba o faila lenyalo for the third time ke tlo tshwanela ke gutlela ho
yona jwale
so now that is why jwale tshwantseng ke be careful more careful hore ke down ke choose motho e one then o tlo etsalang.
Okay hey
ke
kopa Pulani Francine a re wow prophet ke mogapi Pretoria ke bile late. Okay.
Ntibaleng a re dumelang bana beso dumelang Ntibaleng.
Hello Ntibaleng. Viewers at home, as you know hore show ya rona ke ha o molahle ke to all the ladies, to all the couples ba eleng hore bone they are struggling ka something kapa bana le situation. This is the show to call. O ka mfounela dinameng tsa 067 095 5039.
Bana le di situation di relationship tsa bona kapa manyalo a bona rona re bua le wena founela sister
yeah okay
also lovely then re bua le yena.
Yes ntate the lady ke batla le ene ai buelle and then re gone ho utlwa hore story sa hae but hello sweetheart.
Hello.
Le kae?
I'm not le kae.
Ha monate o showing here ya ha o molahle ke eng ne? Now yes I'm with Ntate Moruti now o ka re jwetsa fela story sa hao la o sa ba bua le bitso la hao.
All right. Thank you. I'll see. Oh, lovely.
Thank you, darling.
Pastor.
Yes.
I won't be long. Number one, I'm still on duty. Nearly 43 years. Then I've been 15 years in Yalo. Places to cover number 4. Yes. So ke do feel mo hatsaka na go telle re dula mo kontong mo Limpopo o Thoyando. Then reducing Marhanteria, I think I found out late last year. Then okay, Pili Moridulantene it's not our own house. We are renting.
Okay.
Yes. Then like now I just find out the house that we are renting apparently is the girlfriend. Yeah, my husband.
Ke ntlo ya girlfriend ya mohatsa hao.
Yes. Hore ke fumane ke ka utlwa ka colleague ha ntse mpotsa man ish wa tseba hona le ntwe e sho e tsahalang. Then the lady gave me the number. Then I called the number. And I got like Ntate Modimo ha ke phona bale two. Then it's a violent be ke fumana someone net hore this thing is happening.
Yeah.
Because the girl was like, wait now what change the better we understand that. So ha ke botsa husband hore na hantle we tsalang motho na wa re bona is a landlord. So what's going on? Ne? Yeah, antsa kena a tswa be ke kgaona le yena. So early this, okay, ntse ke apply here for a job. So early this year, Becky went for an interview, which was last month. Then Becky tama hantle Becky fumana msebenzi. I had to move Limpopo Becky tla go mo go Cape Town. I just left everything because of anger. Everything, umwana, umonna, everything. This year Becky tsamaya start a new job. But now, hantle ke dutse ke le one gona ke ba le mosito, and hape at the same time ke a bona man ka re wa tsa ntho ke entseng is wrong because this person ntse ke morata ke monaka ke nna ka bana ba ka. So now in this situation ha ke tsebe gore na ke tse eng ka balance sa fela
ke kopa motse potso
gobane ile ka mo file di options tse two ditse ha sa tswe mo kgotsa tswe ke bua ka ntho e tsahalang like it's like now.
Okay.
Ha tswe ke tse is either watswa a batle bodulo bo bong ape nna ha go hlotse ampona. By saying those words ne ke batla a answer le morao, you know mos.
Yeah, I understand.
You understand? Till now, ha so yetse ntho eo. So ha ke tsebe ke jwang ke kopa le nthuse mo.
Okay.
o tlile Limpopo ile Cape Town tumelang
Dumela pastor.
o soka na ke kopa botsa potso fela ne potso ya ka fela ko lena o itse lena le 15 years le nyalane le monna lena le bana ba i4 le nyalane 15 years role ye monna wa hao a ibapetseng le change e tlisweng ke lenyalo la hao yo ka reng o proud ka yona ke eng
Ke tlape mo rutia ku tlantle.
role e bapetsweng ke monna wa hao in your life le change et bileng teng bophelong ba hao e tlisitsweng ke lenyalo la hao di teng.
Yes, utlwe hape ke kene lenyalong ke santsane ke le monyane, so ke holetse lenyalong. So tse ngata ke di bone, and ke hodile lenyalong pastor ke ka tsho jwalo. So and then utlwa 15 years nena ke na le yena azange ka experience such things, and hape azange ka monahanela mara hape ke ipelela gore la be hona le ntho e tsang mara e seng already be ke bone.
No, also good. Ke re role intoni role yondoda yakho onozincoma ngayo uthi I'm proud ke dinto tso monna ka ndi entse bophilong baka role ayidlalileyo empilweni yakho. Number 2, what are the thing onothi you know this marriage of mine lo mtshato wam uchinche impilo yam the achieve 1 to 3 because of this marriage?
I achieved to be independent because I was at home ngihlele ekhaya ngingenzi lutho baba. So wafika lo this guy, this handsome guy, and I come from the poor family. Then Sapfuma wangilobola kakuhle, and he does everything. Then ekuphumeni kwami ngikupha ekhaya in my comfort zone, and isa apho kungekho comfort khona, out of my comfort zone. Apho ndakwazi uba ndizimele ndibe nomzi wami, ndibe nowantwana bam.
Njani because for me you onamzi unomtshato, you don't have mzi, you only have marriage, because even the place enihlala kuyo ngeye girlfriend yalomntu. And now wena and your husband nine 15 years nishadile. So I just want to understand ukuthi what are the thing achieveleyo ngomtshato wakho, what are the thing ezenziwe ubukho bendoda yakho empilweni yakho beside to be independent kwakho, but not ukuthi ukukhuphile wakwenza umfazi, but for you ukuthi uri I don't know whether my question is clear. Yeah, but yes, it's like Konango. Let me make an example. If you're working to any company, now let's say Bob frustrate a company, but if I leave this company, but this company didn't deal, I managed to buy a house because of this company. I managed to buy a car because of this company. So this company is much frustrated, but this company managed to change my life. So I just want to understand ukuthi zinto nikulo mtshato wakho, zinto into noziqhenya ngazo uthi I'm proud ubukho bendoda empilweni yami, I'm proud ukuthi impilo yethu ichintshile. We are ngaphandle kwabantwana, ngaphandle komtshato.
Hayi mfundisi, andazi ngiyibeka kanjani, but ngicimba ngalendlela yenzeke ngayo ngoku the role ayidlalileyo uba ndizabe ndiphendula kahle umbuzo wakho yokuba ndikwazi uphuma endlini yami ndokwazi ufumana umsebenzi, because bendihleli yonke bendiprovider, besenza yonke into, bendenzala yonke into.
Okay, tsela ene ke bua le ausi ka yone o itse is tsela ene ke bua le ausi ka yone, maybe ha khone o di beya hantle ka nana wa panic o ile a re le no we bile ha bone they were very poor. Now nako e monna hae a monyala, monna hae did everything for yena. Ne today o na le dikoloi tsa sa tsebeng hore ke bokae because of the same husband.
O na le dikoloi.
Le nako e ana sa sebetse, the husband provided for yena, ha so ka mo fidisa the gap ya hore wena ha o sebetse. Yes, now that is why Lino I feel hore o mo faitse because of the ntotse the role you I bapetseng ho yena.
Ke ma feel hore faitse e mo
ke ene the lady, because qetellong o ile a ha bua no o ile a re ke feel like ke entse phoso, I don't know, ke kopa le nthuseng ke ilukisa jwang, because a ke re no o tsamile. Now ha tsamaya o sile husband, o sile bana, aba go husband if o batla ho mpona monana ke khutlile, you will have to move out of the house in an your girlfriend. Now the husband has to come move out, you know.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I understand kancinci ukuthi the husband udlala role enkulu empilweni yakho. You are saying that?
Yes,
you agree?
Yes.
If you can count, what are the things mhlambi role onozibala nje?
Yes, and
even if can be material things, whatever nje yonke into.
Okuninzi mfundisi, andazi ngingaqala njani, because yabona the more ndithetha ngayo the more nangoku ngathi ndingasitsho isikhalo mfundisi.
No, but you don't need to cry because you still have your husband. Asiyonto efanele ukufrustrate. That is why ndikubuza imibuzo, because I'm going to help you. The only thing that I want to know, ndifuna ukuthi nxa ndikupha advice ndibe ndiweye your marriage, ndifuna uweya umtshato wakho. That is why ndifuna ukubuza. You get my point? I'm trying to weigh marriage. Ukuthi you know kukho imitshato sifanele siyeke, but kukho imitshato singafanele nguyeka. That is the problem. There are marriages tse re ka ra di tloella, but there are marriages tse re ka se ra khona di tloella. Two, there are people ba re ka ba tloellang, but there are people who ba re sa tshwanalang ba tloella. So when go botsa dipotso tsena, I'm trying to ask you so that I must be able to know ukuthi the umtshato wakho ngumtshato ofanele uyeke okanye ungawuyeki, uyabona? Because if uthi zininji izinto azenzileyo indoda yakho, bendihalele nje ukuthi ndizazi ba zintoni nje mhlambi ezimbini ezintathu.
No, into embi ingathi bengisisho ayenzileyo ile ndisanda umfumana, and ufumana into bakudala eyenza, uyabo? So mina ndifumana ngoku lento ndisitsho ndithi kule 15 years azange, but le into iye indikhubazeka ukufa, andazi ngiyibeka kakuhle na.
Okay, ndiyakuva ngoku.
Yes. Yonke kule minyaka ibizikhona nje minor problem nyana mhlawumbe ifanele uyabona, not to the point yobana ade aphume endlini njengangokuba yenzile, but kodwa le yenzile into bandifumane mina libali bandibhatala rent, kandibhatala rent ku girlfriend. Uyeva lanto?
Okay, but ke ngoku ndifuna understand ke indlu ngegirlfriend, indlu igirlfriend yakhe ibiqashisa indawo eqashiswayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ngoku iyona into ekufrustratayo into yendlu kakhulu.
Mamela ke mfundisi. Apha endlini andithi ndinamaxesha uba ndihamba nabantwana sisekhaya. Yes. Then xa ndibuyayo kaloku uzawufika loku uyazi uba siyaqoqa. Sizawutshayela sizawuqoqa. Ne? So ke kubekho le mini ndifumana esengqomeni andiyazi uba yintoni ethe vula phaa nathi kodwa savula emgqomeni then ndafumana ekhondom esebenzileyo. Ndiqonda okay fine ithi ndiyeke. Then kube kukho iphepha. So ndimbuza uba ezi zinto zingene njani apha endlini. Angayazi angabinayo impendulo yayo. Ndiyeke ingabinamsebenzi yeke. So ke ngoku ngenye imini fika iphinde xa semane senza i-up and down because ixesha elininzi more especially nge-holiday ndihamba ndisabantwana bobo nomakhulu wabo. So ndiyitshintshile ibhedi ndiyayitshintsha nebhedi sharp ayinamsebenzi. Ndiyabuya ubuya kwam ke ngoku ikholiki yakhe iyandixelela into yobana yazi kukho umntu usisi so xa ndixelele into nomani yi-landlord le athi no noba ondiva kakuhle andicacisele xa ndibona heyi ngulo mntu hayi umoshe ngokundithuka. So ndabona okay this is true.
Uthukwa ngubani? Ngu-landlord?
Yes, u-girlfriend. Ndithi mna ndimazi engu-landlord kanti ungu-girlfriend uyimoshe ngondithuka ubona. Then ke ngoku azixelele uba yena balalana njani yabona nebhedi xa ndithini understanda laa nto yiyo into oshileyo mfundisi indimoshi nangoku nje ndithetha nawe nje andikho right.
Okay, let me ask you this question. But how is your husband about the situation? Indoda yakho yona i-reacte njani kuyo yonke le situation?
Ureacte as normal. Athi no ngu-landlord lo. Then phithi akayiphinde tshintshe statement sakhe uthi ukhana uthi ubizela thina kanene ligama no lo mntu lo sisi lona une crush kuye. Sayine crush ngoku.
Okay, but ngixelele ke indoda yakho ukucala lakho is still supporting you and is still considering you as a wife.
Yes.
Okay, now uyabona ngoku nansi ingxaki yakho. The challenge number 1 uphambaniswa ohlanganiswa ki the girlfriend.
Yes.
Now the problem, what you don't understand, kukuthi everything ephuma emlomeni we-girlfriend ebuhlungu i-girlfriend ithethe purposely so because the girlfriend wanted to hurt you njengoba sekuhetile khona ngoku. Now and the girlfriend, she's trying to hurt you. Actually the plan kukuthi akuhete so that when uyeke le ndoda for yena ngoku. Now because as we speak the mistake ya monna ke hore anke lelapa la hae a lo hira girlfriend.
Yes.
That is the mistake ya monna, but somewhere somehow maybe unana no it will be a secret forever maybe. But now the problem ke now utsibile hore this is the house ya girlfriend. Then when you approach the girlfriend and the girlfriend yakuthuka yathetha zonke izinto. Now the girlfriend ufuna ukuhete purposely so that manje you must be so much angry so that ke ngoku ukwazi umnika le ndoda yakhe ngoku njengoba ndibona ngathi ufuna umnika ngoku. 2, when you check the only thing indoda yakho ihete ngayo upon the note khona ungaqumba you've got the right to be angry. It's when niqasha endlini ye girlfriend yakhe, that one is a problem. But now let's check now zonke izinto ezikuvisa kabuhlungu ngoku aziphume emlomeni adithi mulomong wa husband ditho from mulomong wa girlfriend uhete ngamazwi we-girlfriend and the girlfriend said ikuhete ngabom nokuthi balalene njani benze ntoni ebethethe ezo zinto purposely so kwaba ubusithi zithethwe yindoda yakho benzo understand if ubusithi monaka ityana buyile into tsena monaka utshilo but one of the things eksense ki respect about your husband kukuthi nangoku noba so mbhaqile still she's trying to protect you ukuthi you must not be hurt. That is why at crash. Now this guy, he's trying to protect you and to protect his marriage, but the only person it is the girlfriend. And now here is the biggest problem. The reason why I ask you ukuthi what role edlalwe ngumtshato wakho indoda yakho ngengakanani uyabona nxa siza ku decisions sithando sam ezifana nezi we consider ezo zinto. If you want to make a decision about leaving your partner, you don't take a decision because of the mistake. You don't base this decision based it to the mistake. Because the problem about the mistake iyafida. You cannot make a permanent decision because of the mistake ezogqitha. That is why you need to sit down and check the kind of man londoda okwendi endithathile ehlala nami endiphethe kakuhle. I was not working. But now the same person uyenze a mistake. So you cannot make a mistake because of you cannot make a permanent decision because of a mistake. Ezolunga. Now again, when you want to make a decision, you also consider the role ya motho. Beside the mistake, you know the problem most of the time when mistake ya runa hide everything, even the good side of the person.
Yes.
Of the good side. Now, somebody ngumto right because of the mistake. Yokuchita. Kanti bonke la madoda chita. But at least when uchitwa yindoda irresponsible, ekukhathaleleyo, ekunakekeleyo ungasebenzi, ekunakekele nabantwana bakho yakhulisa abantwana. Uchitwa kimuna who's very responsible. The only mistake ke urifela alinge alohirantu your girlfriend. That is the mistake. But if you are saying that guy was good for you, he was taking a good care for you, about you, and the kids also, you cannot leave that man for that lady.
Cheating is not a mistake, it's a choice. So so umchitele kwakho wenze i-choice okanye wenze i-mistake.
Wenze i-choice. But lo choice thina madoda nabafundisi nami ndihleli apha ndingumfundisi bendichita kakhulu emtshatweni wami oqala. La nto uchita sichita singamadoda namhlanje ndihleli apha abantu bami basecaweni bayayazi ndiyabaxelela everyday ndithi nam I'm a man of God, I'm a pastor, but ifeeling yamadoda yokuhalela abafazi ndinayo. I have the same feeling about daughter because being a pastor is a title, but the reality of the truth, I'm the man. So now the bakhalela abafazi straight in the life on a national and Facebook. Abantu bandijonjile and I don't care ukuthi bazothini. Ayikho indoda ozoyifumana ingilosi sando sam. Indoda ozoyifumana right isemangcwabeni ndithi cela uye emangcwabeni andiyazi ase Cape Town underground uyozifunela indoda elungileyo because nathi singabafundisi zingaphi into izikhanda nezivelileyo zokuba abafundisi bajola. Now you want to leave your partner ngento engekho itshintshe because noba ungamiyeka le ndoda yakho usazodibana nomnye othitayo ofana nale ndoda yakho because le yokuchita ixake nathi singabafundisi indixake nam. I'm very much anointed also. I'm very, very much anointed. But cheating is also in my blood. It's just that cheating asiyoyisi, but siyoyisa nje nge-discipline. If uthixo nxa nokunceda ukuthi nje uyoyise nge-discipline. Not because of you can totally uyoyise cheating, asiyoyisi cheating. We survive nje ka-grace yantatemndim. We also survive about ka discipline. But cheating is there. Permanently so.
So ke kumfundisi undixele into okubana ndenze njani ke ngoku.
Okay, you sit down and check beside this mistake indoda yakho ayenzile yokuchita mara ngumuntu onjani. That is number one. You start there when you want to make a decision. Go to okay, undichitile le ndoda mara ngumuntu onjani. Ngumuntu olungileyo, ngumuntu onakekela ifamily yakhe. Kumuntu obendinakekela kumuntu onikhathalelayo but wenze iphutha elifana nelamanye amaphutha. Now one, you don't take that pressure that pain uyikhoselwe ilasa ichiki uapproach indoda yakho ngayo ayikuba yena kiwo hatunga ndo pressure the girlfriend approach monna wa hae ka yona because I create the girlfriend to buile dintho tse bohloko.
Yes.
So ha o nke dintho tsene awuthathi ezo zinto nobuhlungu bakhona approach ulungisa umthatho wakho approach indoda yakho ngaso because you must remember that man create obuhlungu that lady create ezo nhlungu purposely uyihetile purposely. Now when uli hurt, you are going to approach your husband with the same head, the same pain.
Okay.
And now you are not going to be able to fix anything because now you are hurt and you are miserable. Now the only thing you're going to do is come down. You don't come down. Not aye ankwekidi ki bitterness because of amazwi athetho ilantombazana because lantombazana uthethe amazwi purposely so because ebefuna ukukuheda emna riponi mo. Now ndiyazi uyandiva now.
Ndiyakumamela.
So now into zoyenza wena you just come down ujonga ukuthi umthatho wakho bunjani indoda yakho ibikunakekele kangakanani ukhathalela kangakanani and sit down and fix your marriage. Then indoda yakho nithethe nilungise seningasalwi nendoda yakho. Uyabona sisi, the last thing ngithanda ixela abantu, most of the time we can't deal the problem. Thina nxa sine problem emishatweni asidilani ne problem, sidilana nabantu bethu. Kanti that the problem is to deal nomuntu ungadilani ne problem. Now into enifanele niyenze ukudilana ne problem ixoza ugqitha wena nendoda yakho nisheke nikhona, not ukuthi kusheke problem kuphele wena nendoda yakho.
Sure. Kodwa bendiraythi xa ndisithi kuye kumele aphume phayana ukuze sikwazi ukulungisa because andinokwazi ukulungisa sisephayana landa.
No, apho right because njengoba lamfazi sesazi nobuza bupha uzamane ukusela uzawusa ngoba ngoku indlu yakhe indawo yakhe la uzawusa. Yabona, but naleyo siyilungisa ngeanger, siyilungisa because of lamfazi ekuvise kabuhlungu. Be calm and deal ne issue yakho nendoda yakho and protect your marriage ukuthi ngapheli. Don't use a method that can destroy your marriage and because of the mistake yenzekileyo. Use the strategy that can protect your marriage and to protect umthatho wakho ukuthi ngapheli but udilane ne issue wena.
Sure. Ngosi mfundisi ndikuvile.
Thank you Sithando sami.
Awuzama ngandlela zonke uba ndikhame down. Ndingathethi ngala anger.
Suthetha ngala anger. La mntana ukufakelwa anger purposely because ngoku nxa une anger awuzukwazi uthetha nendoda yakho kakuhle. Awuzukwazi ku-approach indoda yakho kakuhle, uzaba miserable and uzokwenza isimo sibe worse ngoku.
Plus kukho nabantwana phakathi.
Kukho nabantwana ngaphakathi. So please relax and come. And if munna wawo alibuhloka, focus to your husband. If your man anta consider as mosadi wa hae, number 2, monna hao ante a batla hore wena le yena le tswelle pele le phele together, focus on that. Ye ke girlfriend and focus on wena le monna hao and le dule fatshe le atse arrangement tse right hore o le tswa jwang ntlo ya mosadi yane, then le ipatle le pleke ya lona, and then life ya lona e tswele pele. And but ukuthi o lahle indoda yakho because of echitile sisi le, it's just a waste of time. Angeke uyifumene ngilosi ixaka abafundisi lonto. Thank you so much.
Inkosi mfundisi, ndiyabulela kakhulu ngamazwi akho.
Thank you so much. If awukancedeki ncam ulirato uzakudibanisa nami.
I know ndicinga nokwana the load on my shoulders ifile.
And ndicela ukuthethe nendoda yakho kakuhle from now. Ungaphindi uthethe naye because of the pain oyikhoselwe yilaa ntombazana. So kuthi laa ntombazana makafake ipain kuwe wena uyikhuphele kuye uzomfrustrate naye. And yokugqibela, one of the thing yokugqibela nje ngicela undive, sikalwana dintwa tse etsang gore qetelo bue dintwa marubulutse lenyalo la hao. Winne ntwa maruluzitse lenyalo la hao kapa lutse monna hao.
All right. Kodwa then umzingwana.
Yes.
Nansi ke ngoku into. Okay, ndizawuhlisa ndikham, but kodwa ngoku ingxaki nansi. Andazi uba yingxaki okanye mhlawumbi ndisenomsindo. Xa ndibona more especially xa sisebhedi njengoku nomyeni nami, ndise ndipicture ingqondo yami inthathise kwenye indawo.
Okay, no, le izawulunga. Ike yandenzekelela loo nto dala ndadibana nenkosikazi yami enomntu endlini, iye ndiye ndadilana nayo izophela, but leyo ke ungagqibelisa ngayo leyo kuyilungisa. And the worst part, nina ke abafazi niyakwazi upretenda ngoku ungafuniyo ukudibanele, niyakwazi nofake isikhalo khali ngathi kukho into ekhoyo ingekho. So but into important is to make sure that you protect your marriage and you for the sake yakho nabantwana bakho, because this marriage for me I feel like marriage obuhlokwa for wena le mona ubile mona ya right for wena. So qala ka yona protecta lenyalo lao, protecta family yao, and then leyo yona niza ilungisa ixesha linqali yayo. Nami ndingakunceda ke ngexesha le right ukuthi uyihlula njani leyo, because naleyo funeke uyihlule naleyo.
Okay, enkosi mfundisi ngisho kwazi noncuma.
Thank you so much, Standerson. Thank you so much.
I would say all lovely.
Thank you, sweetheart. Bye. Thank you. Okay. Ntate Moruti nako o ntse o araba ausi ke na le di comment tse ngata. Di makatso milwa a re Moruti a ke re o suitse ke choice kapa ke mistake. Now di makatso a re Moruti because wena o ile wa re ke as much as ile a choice but ke mistake o monna o yentse. Now o se asa dwela mo mistake ngwa no ne. Okay, di makatso a re Moruti if it's a mistake he must correct it. Moruti, once the trust is gone, Moruti, this is the pain that will not go away easy. Even if he cheated, he should fix that by moving out of the girlfriend's house.
Yeah, no, you need to support it. Agree with the atwe nklunya girlfriend. Ke support you.
Okay. Now, what do you say ka hore? Ho bona le question e tlang hore if o akere ore yena the lady which is the victim, which is the person ailing head, aene abe down, a come down, a bue the situation. Now Kathy Motshegwa are no, she must speak nicely when she is the victim. No ways. The guy will repeat and come with a new strategies.
That is the problem. Basadi. When there's a problem, they want to prove them.
Okay.
Mona ribika we prove or mango tshwantse I prove hore yena ke o right e mo wrong. Mona re dilana ka problem e batlang solution, not hore we monkey man na something I prove a be otherwise. Unkutlwe le wena unkutlwe. If really the lady that man who tshwantse the lady ke free ore a ka se gone ikama
I come drunk down when she is a victim.
okay mama
Eh.
ka bo madimapi number 1 ha re bui ka taba ya hore mang o tshwantse prove le mang. The lady ha tshwanela o prove hore ke victim, then ho monna wa hae it doesn't make sense. Number 2, if monna na le temo ne re tlo kgona ho bua le monna, but motho re bua le yena ke mosadi, and motho tshwantse re mo thuse ke ene re bua le yena hore a thusale a tla kgona ho dilana le situation.
By calming yourself down.
Yes,
When Elena is editsweng pause.
yes,
When Elena thotse
re
the condom.
thusa yena because what is the use? Come on, rona ne tshwantse re hamba tsamolwana tsamo bo bontsha hore wena o nke nonsense. We don't help if we are saying that. When now
Okay.
the person ya hlokang thuso
Ke the lady.
is the lady, ne, and again approach it in runa showing yena ya how mulatlekeng. Now we need to help yena ha qetile o thusala o tlo kgona ho dilana le situation ya hantle. Ha qeta o thusala, because now we cannot say re normal lahle and happen go an example.
Okay.
There was an event, women's conference. The one lady monna reka dikoloi without consult.
Yes,
Well, you remember?
Yes, I do.
Then the time Ruti Chabalala abare, but that man wrong.
Oh, yes.
Kebekir mare, you don't help this lady.
Motai kopang thuso.
Muta kupantuso. Ar monna reka dikoloi without consulting her.
Hey, that means otla anale problem.
Another
ka
problem.
monna.
So how no matter your husband is wrong? Jale o raetseng a tloha hapa le when I'm wrong because already some story baby you are wrong, you are buying cars without consulting.
So now come to mama etsang wena o mo thusa ho
Ke thusa yena ya tlileng ho nna.
Oh.
O thusa yena hore a lo dilana le situation e sa ne jwang.
Not say monna o right.
Not say monna hore you right, you are helping the victim.
Okay.
God, let's go.
Okay.
If
Okay.
hona le motho o repileng o botla ho nna hore ntate moruti ke repuwe ke tshwantse ke re motho o repileng wrong ke tlo thusa kang
Because ka tseba o wrong ke
o
tla ka
wrong
pain ya
and
o wrong.
hayo
Okay. Le ha o ka ba bua hore o wrong ha kae. Ha e tlo
like
thusa.
ke re yo ha o entse ntho e bohloko e worse. I'm not helping you.
O santse fela o bolele hore se leke now
Se leke-
put yourself together.
Do 1 2 3 to be able to deal with situation.
Hey, I hope
But I don't know whether
You
you
say
understand my
no,
point.
I understand.
When somebody say Nike rape, you cannot say I yo mutau rape wrong. Hi. Oh rape mar that guy he uslege it python making. I don't help you. But
Okay.
when you are saying that I'm raped, it's like when you are saying monna ka unchitile. So kietso jwang ha lisi ko monna. I need to help you. It's a monna because the man is not here. If bana ba le babedi ne tlo gona addressa monna ke address le mosadi, but now ha ba now ke tshwantse ke address yena ya utlileng bohloko ke mothuse. And the problem kore when motho a utlile bohloko, most of the time batho ba utlile bohloko ha ba tsebo nahana hantle, ha ba tsebo ho nahana straight because of the pain. You get my point? So it is my responsibility to okay utlile bohloko but checka dintho tsena, checka maemo, checka dintho tsena, checka the good side, check the bad side. La o ka di social work good guy can the counseling,
Psychologist.
they will always ba o bontshe dintho ka tsela e different.
the good side
The
and
good
the
side.
bad side.
Hence ke ne ke botsa the lady hore how was the husband? How is the husband? O responsible o loka kae? O hlokomela ha kae? We etsa eng? So that we must be able to know hore motho ena ya entse mistake o useless kapa ke motho ya sa tshwanelang go loswa because of mistake ya hae. Because the reality of the truth, re na le batho ba good, and we cannot afford to lose people because of the mistake, and good people because of the mistake. Re ba lositse batho ba good. Re ba thotse. It's difficult to get a good person. It's difficult. So when the time dim out grace it's like a good person, abana the mistake, then o lahla motho ka mistake. Ai, o tlo monka ka ya good again.
No, I think viewers at home.
And somebody
you
will say the
would
material
agree.
things. Ke tlo tla yo.
Yes, ne ke tlo bua mo hore o mong o irile ha o ntse o botsa o sika di achievement mo lenyalong a ba re na ntate moruti di material things ke tsona tse bolelang lerato le motho a o ratang ka lona na.
The material things di bolela responsible person or motho responsible a kakang. When a man a o rekela koloi, when a man a o rekela ntlo, o shebe le basadi ba rekelwang dikoloi ke banna ba batho. Most ya basadi ba ratana le banna ba batho ba ratana le banna ba responsible. And that is why banna ba responsible. When a man a le responsible, ho mosadi wa hae le sa itshiki go ba responsible. So when Rebecca got the material things, the material things sometimes di bolela or monna no responsible. A man who's able to provide mosadi wa hae responsible. A man who's able to ana le bokgoni a rekala mosadi wa dikoloi, a rekela a family ya dikoloi, a ba phedisa ntlo responsible. And we don't aribika le rato mon re bua ka le ka responsible.
Being responsible.
Because le rato le bateng le a fela le a gutla le rato le on and off. But re check responsible because all of us re hloka batho ba responsible.
Okay.
We need responsible people, especially basadi le aba batla banna ba responsible. And ya bobedi ha le qeta o lahla banna bana because of le material things doesn't matter anymore. Ha o qetile lo jola le monna ya o hlokomela le batla banna ba le hlokomelang le ba isa kae?
Okay.
Ke ba mamela. Agree?
Ha ke batle re feta ke re ke ka di bona di kena o ntse re le.
But I understand it. Because basadi ba qeta o lahla banna. Because mutara I don't care about the material things. But aba qetile ha ba tsamaya o batla o jola le monna ya na responsible. Ba batla ha una mosadi ya tswang ha ya ba lo jola le mahlalela. Ba batla banna ba responsible
to achieve those
material things. So but to tell mutara na I cannot stay for material things. But ha o qetile ha o qeta o di sia mona o ntse o tlo batla monna ya o fang tsona. Why ba sa jole le banna ba futsanile? Why ba sa di ba batla banna ba the potential men? Skala re hlong.
Ke kopa o dule fela jwalo ne ke bale di comment kaofela o tlo di arabe because ke bona muso na wa ka wa basadi o futumetse.
Bona ba dula futumetse mehlae.
Abare, we are not saying she must fight, yet we are not saying she must bury her feelings. A lot of women are bitter and angry in marriages because of being calm. We mameleki number one.
You can't carry araba ka speed. Wabana yo. No, sky there.
Okay.
Number one, asita ba ya or ba bitter ka baba. Bitterness, there is nothing wrong to bua. That is why you tell mosadi ona abuele monna wa hae. But aska ba bua ka bitterness yo anang le ona e khotsweng ke side chick. Because when she's bitter, how to solve the problem? I did not say basketball bua, kitsa ba bue.
But abua le calm.
Seleke e tlo thusa ka engwe a ye ka bitterness yane a lo rwa ka mona ne tlo mo thusa ka.
Okay.
E tlo lukisa lenyalo?
No. Okay, Kathy, okay, ka di bona da kena ka mantsa mang ontsa ao araba ke kopa ke to o yengwe di makatsa re moruti. She will calm down, but it will take time. The only time she will have peace, ha monna tswile ntlong ye.
Yeno yona ke a support. O right di makatso. Mo yona ke a support. Yeno ke a support 100%.
Okay. Enana ene ke re ka ibala e tshwana le yane ya pele di makatsa re moruti. I hear you, but being calm, we are left with bitter hearts and anger.
People, they don't understand. Guys, lauka ba Like about Silike, once o tla honna, let's say you don't want to apply the method to a calmness, but long approach ka
anger,
ka
ka lerata.
but ke kopa re bueng, if there is a problem, what is the main thing e re batlang ho achieve? Ke o rong provela or you are angry?
Go sort out the
Who sort of
problem.
problem? People, they don't understand that. But that is why bas number said, you know why? Because when you approach a moto, you need to focus to the main thing o batla o achieve eng. Re tlo bua re batla o achieve eng. But if o batla o achieve taba o rena o tlo mpontsha how o angry ha kae, you are not going to achieve next, because now re qabanetse metsi ha re bi ka metsi, now wena batla tlo mpontsha hore wena o angry ha ka kang, e tlo o thusa kang?
Okay.
Because ha re tlo bua ka metsi.
Yes, but how will you understand my pain if ke tla ho wena ko qenehela then ke tla ke le calm?
Understanding ha e tlo etswa ke tsela o buang ka yona. Understanding e tlo etswa ke nna. I mean, understanding e tlo tswa ho nna hore ke batla ho understand, because two things tse tlo etsahalang. One, o kana shouta, still o shouta o bosa bungetsa hore ke se ka understand. You can come or lay down still. The important thing is, let us sit down and check the method to bring the solution. It's a method to just because you are angry, now you want to what if still I can rock on some and take out to what is the use? Papa Kai Banna Basadi Barroikilim Banababon, Papa Roiketim Buffet, Marbana was actually buffet. Umroikile. Ubontshitse o wena o angry o lo kae, but it did not work, because ke nna motho yo buang le nna ya tlo decideang hore ke come ke batla o ba come kapa ke batla come, ha se taba ya anger ya ho kapa eng. So people, they think when batla ba le angry, it's like wena jwang when o approach o mfebela o se febe ing ha ke rata o ntse o buile jwalo a go khathalle. Even you can go to hell, you can do whatever you yetsa.
Okay, now if ori jwalo, that means it's for a man to make a decision whether lenyalo wa le batla kapa jwang, then le hankatla ke le jwang, le hankatla ke le calm kapa bokamo bona le karolo ebe bapalang
ha bohloko bokamo bo etsa le gone o dilana le ntho, and like ba le tlo arwana kapa le tlo arwana, it's very important to deal dintho ka tsela e right e calm. Whether le tlo arwana kapa le tlo build some, but it's very important to sit down and deal dintho ka tsela right. Today ntho ya bo anger ya bo bitter ya nka the decision because of we angry ke tsena tse tsang gore today we regret. Re lose batho re lahla basadi re lahla banna ha rena banna rena basadi, because every time we approach the situation according to the pain, because o tlile bohloko you unahana hore your pain you far right ya hore o approach the way o batlang ka teng, it's a problem. It's like gona jolo ka se re mama nkutlise bohloko mama o se febe o gamorso o mama, you cannot say that. You know why? Because as much mama of faith, but in your mind you still remember ke mama ka tshwantse ke buele na hantle ke mam motho ya reng hantata ya mo faith aba mo approach ka tsela eo. So why re tshwantse re etse banneng ba rona ntho eo?
a ke re motho ke nyalane le ene
ke mora wa hao, because re nyalane jwala.
As much as he's my husband, but I have to make him understand.
There's a many ways to make a person to understand. That is how how come approach like me. Now you will never approach me like your boy. You will never. Na guys, ka fela bo Sister Mildred mabele na la o ka wang khabeletsa ke cheatile. My mistake ba the cheating you it doesn't give you permission ya hore jwale when you approach me approach you like your boy, like your firstborn. I'm not your firstborn. That is why it's like about divorce. Because the problem when there's a situation, haretse bo dilana le di situation. Re batla we prove now. I want to prove ke batla montsha moneno ke kwatile. Doesn't work.
There is something o fetsang ho bua ore mistake o yetsang how you be little treat it like my firstborn. If you know how you are a man who want to be respected at all times, why also avoid ho yetsa di mistake?
Okay, when I didn't tell di tlo dulang di le teng. As much as I avoid that, let me teach you something slick. I think we have in our society a problem. We don't know how something ready maintain, even if we are angry or we are what. Honali between respect. Respect is one of the things, it's one thing, it must be maintained.
Okay.
So like, wabana lenyalo lena le respect. When the respect is a priority in that marriage, whether you are angry, because Lena as a man, le mistake ya how you can imagine if Nike yense mistake ubung approach prove what about you not got a mistake le now tshwantse go approach jwa if go approach jwa lo tlo feel jwa because le not it's a mistake. It doesn't matter ki mistake ya mjolo, but you can also
make a mistake.
You can make any mistake even if it's not a mistake ya mjolo, but if race maintain respect because we don't maintain respect in this marriage. But lenyalo, one of the key things you maintain, it is the respect. Hore, like you kwatile ki approach monaka jwang, and then le mosadi wa ka approach jwang, le nna ke approach mosadi wa ka jwang. As much mosadi wa ka faith, I need to maintain taba respect ki approach mosadi wa ka. Na ke believe ntwenye. We need to maintain taba respect. Now, where there is anger,
respect regardless of the mistake.
Regardless.
Okay.
Regardless. That is why the Bible is Lona basadi. Bukeng yam Ephesians chapter 5 verse number mamang. Iri lona basadi. Iko kobeletse banna ba lona dintong tsohle. Ka mantswe ma haire dintong tsohle e bolela hore whether monna o yentse ntho e jwang but humbleness.
Yeah.
It's the one that's one thing.
Ibe
priority. It maintain. So it's just that Runa, we want to behave according to the mistake. Just because unchitile ke batla behave so, and then just because now hawan chita we entse ke batla behave so, re batla change the behave. But when kinali respect, kapa unali respect is there. Whether unchitile kapa kuchitile, respect will be there. And everything retlo dilana le yona ka respect, everything retlo ba ka respect. Resna mohlang e mole mo ba tlang we improve our yana ke mang. That is why we are not going to have manyalo. So langa rena le dikelelo tse tshwana le tsena tsa hore no, how can monaka am faithful na be tshwantse ke be calm. It won't make sense.
Look at you wanna do the comment tsena. Okay. We want responsible men who correct their mistakes. Okay, Kathy Wahut. Kathy Mutsewa. Arimuruti, you are misunderstanding us. Women are bitter and angry because they were always calm around hateful situations.
I get see because I get see na khale ke dula ba human ba seng kambaseleng I get see na khale ke jwala ba mkhemo buela yena aska human aska buela bona
yeah ke nana hari
yena if you are saying nanta timruti I'm bitter but le hona mon nga o botsa di questions nga tshwana re go botsa di questions aska re basadi ha are yena.
Okay.
Because you must remember bitterness you can cause bitterness where.
Yeah.
What's kabakalatsela you approach and into but it backfire when because of bitterness ka when.
That's true.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
Sometimes it is not like when
even to lose somebody are good. because of phosonyana enyane. Now how also umovile o hawani lene life e be sa hlotse e ba as good
It can
as it
also-
used to. That thing alone can cause you anger and bitterness.
So na Catherine ikampa ruena you have lost
Dintho that maybe ge ka baka la bokhamo o na le that bitterness.
no not isi basadi ska la re basadi bona ba kham ai.
Okay, dimakatso a khutla. Are no muruti. I am not saying she must confront him with anger. I am talking about the inner anger in her. Okay? Moretsana dintle are muruti o bua nnete. Batho bana ba buiswa fela ba se ka hara manyalo. Ba shebile manyalo a batho ba bang. Okay? Dimakatso milwa a khutla a re moruti I am married for 13 years.
Okay.
Now I'm married for 13 years now and I know exactly what you are talking about.
Okay. Okay.
Kathy a khutla a re moruti you are right. When you are angry, your mind is not focused. You don't think straight. So nothing will work out as long as you are dealing with the problem with high emotion. The calmness always helps.
Hallelujah.
Matsidiso mohale wa ma a kitse fane o ibitsa sentle askis Matsidiso are o bua nnete ntate moruti re hloka ho ba calm motho a tsebe hore ha o rate ntho e a yentseng le tla fihlella qeto a ba kopa tshwarelo ka mantsa re moruti o bua nnete ha o le calm o tlo kgona ho bua le motho a ba a tsebe hore ha o rate ntho a yentseng le fihlelle qetellong a kope tshwarelo. Morwetsana dintle a re ba tala ka hanong moruti o bua nnete.
Ai basadi ba tala.
And then
And most ya bona bangwe ke di emotion. Bangwe ke di emotion. And I bona that lady nyatsia mto girlfriend and tato. I provoke the emotions tsa mosadi yo. O tlile na sa hema le ha bohloko mosadi.
Na sa batla olla. And then Susan Mnyakeni are 100% correct Mfundisi. And then Kathy Musego are a good question also lovely. Okay, if you know how you want to always be respected, why also avoid it? Or it's a mistake. And then Pulani Francina are and Muriti. How shout a munna pela girlfriend ya utlo taba utlo nka munna wa hao o salole jwalo. Teboho Stebu are basadi ba dira e ka re human ke bo Holy Jerusalem. Lasimo are ke o hlompha ka 100 no vineso. And then Kathy Musego are true. I honestly get you and it brews anger. Oh, kina ko ile ene ore batho ba they should calm down ba be le tsela ya ho bua. Yes. And then le taba ya hore ka lenyalo respect should be a priority.
Ai and ayo manyalo.
And then dimakatso milwa akere dimakatso le Kathy ayo wa ke bone ba ntse ba commenta haholo and then ba botsa dipotso qetellong are Novi you are a born motivator. I love and respect you.
Atina wena di makatso.
No, I can't see why ke etsa di commentator jwa. Kaya tlo re thusele. Okay, ntate moruti I think because now haranka le di call aranka WhatsApp ya batho.
But I thank God or di makatso ibe o ka ra lenyalo la 13 years.
Yes,
because you know when I'm into di makatso. We the other thing the strategy is already sebedisang. yes di ka re etsa gore be ka ramanyalo mara le jwang because we've got different marriages. We've got different
kinds of
marriages. You know why ke tshwang go na le manyalo le teng mare go sawa wa baba ka ra lenyalo la be re ba le manyalo a teng o cold ke moshara o ba le manyalo a mang then we happy na le manyalo a different.
Yo, different kinds of marriages.
A teng
mare a fapane. Yo.
A fapane.
Viewers at home, can you please listen to this carefully?
A fapane. Na le ke lenyalo le teng mare ho sawa le baba ho hobe ke Burundi mare le teng bo ba lenyalo ke moshare funeral parlor of the die re be re ba le lenyalo le monate the same leading relationship
ale mararo jalo a bitswa manyalo
ke manyalo ka ofela the same leading relationship ana le di jwalo fela and tlo go jwetse gore ho be jwalo ke eng container e1 mar content ya fapana ka ra container and tlo go jwetse container e ngotse lenyalo ka ntle mar content
ntwe ka hare
ya fapana and tlo go jwetse ke into e tsong ro fapane ke di personality bane di personality tsa bona di gona builder mofuta wa lenyalo le sawa go ba le di personality tse builder lenyalo moshar berba le di personality tse etsang gore lenyalo le be monate because manyalo a buildwa ke di personality re kaya kai kapa kai all the relationship all marriages di buildwa ke di personality and the personalities tse ka ra lenyalo ke tsona tse determine da mofuta wa lenyalo kopa le ntlwele nna
mana re shebe di personality no a re itekole
that is
poso ha se lenyalo ke personality now personality ya hao e o fa mufuta o fita nyona
your personality can choose the kind of marriage your personality kapa personality tsa lona le monna le mosadi di ka le choose tsa the kind of marriage ele tlo phela ka rowa a nna ke tsebile nkutlwa bana
ona le motoreng I owe you lunch no ha
ngathaba hle ndima mo bless mo
ke ena di makatsa
my favorite my java clinic fitla kanda mfulu my di makatsa mo di mo bless all thank you so much moratu wa pelo yaka now you let's go back to when you go to Mseleko o sheba di personalities tsa basadi bane tsa ba Msekelo Mseleko na o dula le four personalities
four
different personalities and ke tlo bolela something four different personality o lo sheba di commenting hore le di commenting tsa batho bana hona di four different personality le di commenting
o mo commenta ka personality e clickang le yena
e clickang le yena
e kotsi now o shebe fela o thabela mang o commenta ha o le ka mang o tsebe fela go your personality
but finally a very bad personality but o rata mothiana le a character a personality bad similar but finally a good personality that is why rena le batho ba sa rati makhumalo ba rata mayeni because barata mangwabe because bana le similar personalities about tomorrow. Now here is the problem. That is why when you advise batho you need to check mufuta wa motho wa advisor o advisor operator ka character ka personality jwang ai ke kopa ya deep how ya mangwabe ke number 4 we expect mangwabe o nahana to advisor jwang
ka ho sa hohle
ka ho se khathaloge how ya number 2 kana ke mang
Mayeng.
Mayeng
Ka lenyatso.
o tlo o nahana o tlo expect. So when re batla batho ba re thusang batho ba re eletsang, we need to consider the personality tsa batho, because always as somebody who has a good personality, he will build a good personality when, even if you don't have a good personality. Personally, I have a good personality.
Yeah, very
but
good.
if ke le motho o mong, batho ba sa kgathaleng, when o fihla o yana mo jwetsa gore monna ka o cheata re tswa ho yena, ebile banna re basadi re utlwile bohloko re ba ebile banna ke di rubbish.
How advice ke motho advice ke
O
personality.
advice ke personality. Number 2, batho ha ba fole dinthong tse ba etsetse tse ba hlaetse ba kileng tsa ba etsaya. Now ba bang ba re advice ka bohloko. That is so
You
when
get advice out of pain.
re advice ke batho ba lemetseng. That is
Come on,
why
Ntate
nkile ka
Moruti.
bolela batho ka re we need to be careful ka the influencers tsa social media. Hona le basadi ba e leng di influencer ba lemetse
Yeah.
ba limele, and when ba advise batho ba advise ka leqeba. Motho tla o jwetsa re no, you must you think ikemela o le mosadi.
Hey, you must be independent.
You must be independent. You must trust yourself. You must ba advise batho ho latela maqeba. Number 2, batho ba advise ka di personality. Re advise ke batho ho latela di personality tsa bona. And you need to be careful when motho ba tla advise or number 1, when personality ya ke e jwang. Motho advise ke motho na personality e jwang. So that you can phumana wena una le respect, una le understanding, una le boikokobetso, o ka gona maybe o no tlo dealana le situation o bo se hlole, but o advise ke motho ya ntseng a sa kgathalle, personality ya ke motho a sa kgathalle ya sa qeking. When una le problem o tlo jwetsa re tsamaya o duletseng lenyalo le jwalo.
Yeah.
If ne ke le motho mo nka be ke itse a sisile ya ndo dihlala ngawo.
Exactly.
Phuma.
No, I thought you would say that.
No.
Yo, a rutle batho ba re Noma Bongo Mulete are personality very important.
Miss you.
Are needy. We get advice from people who are broken inside, even from childhood traumas.
Yo.
Masidiso are personality needy. Dimakatso are we qetile novi ibile pula yana. Your advices are blessed by God through the rain. Tebu are my God are go deeper. And then Pulani Francine are lina kita leka plan. Ko kaurata.
Yeah, lunch.
Eh.
Oh, thank you so much.
And then Cynthia Mulefi are we hear you loud and clear Ntate Moruti. Emma Zami are I know we qetile.
Emma.
Moretsana Dintla are Chelina I respect you. Ntate Moruti. Pulani Francina are wow Dr. Novi praise God we qetile John nawe. Matsidiso are very true the personality tsona. Kathy Musaka are yes he is right manyalo a fapane and funeral parlors have too many years and still going on. I didn't move here. Okay. Geletsa tsotso dikeleje a hi man hi Novi mudumu o tlotsitse hle. You're a gifted man of God. You know most things. I don't want to miss your show because I'm gaining. Mudimu au pamise hle ntate. Ha ke rapela every day. I'm praying for you hore bophelo ba hao mudimu au phidise hle. You are so good. Wow. Lasima are always amazing. Kajeno remametse movie. And then Pulani Francine are Jonna doctor, you are a good teacher of life.
I can't leboha hle.
Ka nnete ntate. Ke nako ya rona ya go kwala.
Na re kwa.
Ntate Moruti. Now I'm saying today I've learned a lot. Can it as the host, but I've learned a lot. Ntate Moruti a lot. And le ho tseba hore whatever the person a fetang through yone ke wena we created in yone. Because we have lost good relationships, we have lost good marriages, we have lost good people. And how to sheba, how are you losing the situation? Because many people are still there, got the situation so where se lo feta wena motho. Now kono bua le the lady, you said something and then it took me back whole decision ene ke etse one day ha ne ke tswa lenyalo. You said probleme a se ke a lwanela hore yena a be right, and then probleme bentse le teng, probleme be tlo ba separate. Wa bona o tlo lwanela wena o sa sorte out probleme qetelong wena o bontse le teng but lenyalo be le fedile. You know, there were situations in life mo motho o tswang teng lenyalo na I fought for nna. That is why today in the killing thing. Ana ke itwanetse.
You didn't fight for your marriage.
Hallelujah. Ana kalilwanela. You know, and the sad part that the you know, I get it. I think Luhubua no. My parents will tell you, oh hi, Nikki the most quiet. I can say why, but Nikki the most quiet. Now Nikki bottle everything up. And Mutula Yentepos, the husband, I would want him to assume or to know
okay.
Without addressing
the issue.
Wow. Now, kinze kidi botlela, mohlane kidi address itse ke a le monyakong. Kinze kitso. And the sad part that the moruti ko hore motho you have lost so much to a point you are starting class now. You are starting at the lowest level. And then obotlo kopana le batho ba ileng your friends. Ba kopaneng le dintho tso kopaneng tsone, but because ka tsela ene ba sorta out the problem ka tse ba ntse ba le manyalong. Now sessions like this that re thusa because I can't say re tlo ipheta hape re nyalo.
Okay.
Okay. Ntse re tlo pheta hape re nyalo, and then the sessions ina that thusa. Truly speaking, today it hit home.
Wow.
Because nane osu abua le nana. Ne ke feel hore tsatsing le teng ke tlo mnela hore tswala tabana. Ko oche monno go teletse taba go le lo renta ko girlfriend go tlonzo tsa tshele le mo betsa ga bedi man. O tla le mo betsa hanga ta jwa ka rente plus monno o viese go tswa tshelde o ntsa betsa. Now ke tsela e motho o no shebile dintho ka teng, but truly speaking le ha o no ntse mo botsa dipotso ne ke feel hore ntate moruti mo yanong ka go baya side. Do you understand? Antso mo tsa gore ke eng dintho tso ka reng o di achievile ka lenyalo. Ke ne ke feel hore ha o batlo go understand the pain. Yeah, OC. But towards the end, how bua lene aba atseya. Because Anna Kala show, she was very emotional. To a point, she couldn't even list the good things. And I think pain did not allow her.
Or ashebe the good things.
So ashebe the good things. But the more you spoke, Liena Hanse Libua, can't say good answer aba lighter. Ibile Iliene Jale abuang about education. Truly, Ntate Muruti Kitwana Lebo Oskethi, Bodis Dimakato. We thank you for sessions like this.
Yeah. No, thank you so much, guys. And now Manswaka fela kore na ki tutulenti wa. People, we don't check what we have. We don't consider what we have. Already shape. Even if we tshwere something, mara ha o kgone consider lo e bona. O se tshwere. O dutse consider le wena.
Ke dirile yang.
Le ntho e hloka le o itshwere gore na o e hloka o lo kae. But only the way really self-centered and selfish. Now tshwere ntho. Ibile o lebetse there is something you itshwere. Focus away. All eyes are
on. Ma what's that mo go diragala? E ka ga satane le no man. What I get ane. Kana go leng head, o leng broken. go na le di-wipera tse wipang all the good things.
Yeah.
Like I think basadi ba bangata can testify to that. Like how lentlo o dulang ka yone e smart how e bone.
That's why. Because it is because we don't remind ourselves for retwery. We tshwere mara we bone. We tshwere bila we consider le wena. And sometimes o tshwere ntho eo basadi ba bang ba khumameng fatshe praying for that. Fasting for that. I guys na le nkutlo ma.
A kere ke tshile ka e rapella no. You understand the right?
It's very dangerous to hold something.
O sa bone
You say boni wena. If you bona ke batho ba bang ba ba ikgala. That is the problem. Now, because you don't value this thing, that is why when there is something, a challenge, you are not going to protect Ntwena. We protect us to say value. We protect us to say boni. You're going to protect you. That is also going to protect Ntwena. People, they don't understand how tshwere lenyalo kapa o tshwere ntho
e ka ba
mosebetsi kapa eng when o ka bona bohlokwa ba ntho eo seleke o tlo e protecta man o tlo e protecta South Africa na le masola e protectang tšhelete e na le dikoloi tse protectileng tšhelete o na le security.
And the dikoloi tse protected tšhelete bila ha di tshwane le the normal cars.
But ba reason the tšhelete ho bona, they know the important ya tšhelete, they know the value ya tšhelete. Hence bona ba protectang. Ba batlang the security guard ba protector di tšhelete tsena. O thole bile wena monga tšhelete ba protector. Marlo protector bankeng ya hao because wena you don't value your money but you value ke batho ba ba beileng.
Sure.
So the problem is when o tshwere ntho o sa bone value yona ha ona mohla o tlo protector ha ona mohla o tlo ilwanela always it are hard challenges di tla especially when di tla di challenge di tla ho wena o tlo lahla ntho
easy jwa
so langa o protector wena so langa wena ka ba safe so langa wena ka ba happy hore na o lahlile ntho yeo o sokotseng o ithola. You are not going to consider that because it's important to win. And Boshubur, how better relax, how better Baso, better right, then we back a happy.
Ruti Kukufela, Noma Bongo, are that is the pain Yahose appreciate and realize once you lose it. Dimakazo Mila are a case closed, Novita Maya. And then Pulani are good night Tate Muruti and also lovely. Thanks a lot. We learn every day. Mamulo ana are go re ke hona ke fitla mare ke tlo iqala fast.
I can't.
Kathy Arseleke, you made my week. You fought for your head. Good. And then Musiba to my Emma, I salute you, my dad. Personality, you said it mouthful. Wow.
Thank you.
Dimakato are good night. I am blessed.
Thank you, Dimaka.
Okay. Manel Gaurengwe. A renovi obotlhalis through. Releboga morena ka wena. Filwe given Ari, thank you so much Ntate Muruti. I am not married yet but learning a lot from you. Ke tlo kena lenyalong ke le ready. And then ladies letele Ari, ke rata this show. Thanks also oh lovely ka boldness ya how and honesty for my pastor ka moleboha. Okay. Good people from me to you. Ke sharp.
I'm not sharp. But we need to consider the personality taruna because always the personality taruna is involved.
Yeah.
When we need issues, the personality the bapala role. when on a lady challenges personality bapala but kabo marimabi it depends on the kind of a personality you operate and kayon. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Wow.
You